So now today we are going to show how to make ghee from butter, which is made from curds, which is made from milk, which is made from our Goseva milk powder.
Wow.
So now butter. Yes. So now we are going to switch this on, and we are going to see this butter. A little more was there. We offered it to Krishna. Was from just 1 liter of milk powder. So what I did, in half liter water, I added 2 liters milk powder. Means 2 packets. See, this is one for 1 liter, and this is for 1 more liter. So 2 packets in half liter water. I made curds, I churned, and then this is the amount of butter I got by churning.
Wow.
So I am going to now heat it, low flame, because it was too hot actually. I'm sorry for that. It will be alright. I'll keep it on low flame. Yeah, sim. And yes, I just have to allow it to melt, and then you can hear the sound, right? The sizzling sound, the chiss sound. So when it stops, when the chiss sound stops, when all this is melted, there will be more chiss sound, and once it is done, we will get to know as the sound reduces. Do you see it's melting? So once it fully melts, see, can you hear the chiss sound? Yeah, this sound is going to reduce. When this sound reduces, then the ghee is ready. You have to switch it off. Don't allow it to fully stop. When it reduces to almost zero, it's at that time you have to switch it off. And this is very little quantity. This is only 5 liter milk. From 5 liter milk, it will yield for me quarter cup of ghee. Almost quarter cup of ghee only I am going to get. But this is for you to see. I could not wait for 1 full month, collect it, and then make it. We don't have to wait for 1 full month, by the way. You can make 4 packets, all in half liter or in 1 liter. 4 packets in 1 liter milk. Churn it all in one day, in just 15 minutes. And then so much of butter will be ready. Then make another 4 packets in 1 liter. Churn it another 15 minutes. So what happens is you get a lot of butter. So we don't have to wait that long. This is the advantage of having milk powder. If it was milk, you have to wait for the supplier to supply 1 liter. Then you turn it into curds, then butter, then ghee. It's not like that with this. Yes. So now you can see the sound is too much now.
Yes.
Yes. So the sound is almost nil.
Yeah.
So we are going to switch it off. It's done. Now I'm going to sieve it. So I'm just going to take it and sieve it into this. It's done. If I want to, I can add a little bit of water to this, give it a boil, and sieve it and put it into different container and use it for rasam, or something like that. You got it right. We can add a little bit of water, give it a good boil, and then again sieve it, and then keep that water to cool.
In this vessel, because there is some ghee stuck.
Yeah, some ghee stuck. So when we put little water and boil it, and when we sieve the water, and when we keep it, the ghee will float on top. Allow it to cool, and the top ghee can be used in rasam, like that, if you want. Otherwise it's not needed. Now our ghee is actually ready.
Yeah.
This is our ghee.
Beautiful.
It's golden color. Can you see? It's golden. This is how it should be actually. See?
Wow.
It's lovely. Just fit for Krishna.
Yes.
To offer. Oh, it's smelling so good, But I should not be smelling. It's for Krishna to smell. Yes. So that's how we make ghee from milk powder. Thank you very much.